Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you so much for tuning in to my 2,839th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, this is the 2,839th edition, and probably the 2,839th time I will warn you that trading is extremely risky. Put your stops in, put them in first. Here's a story today. We sold short NASDAQ based on an OMNI signal. We put a stop in, we got ourselves short. We got short, it ran up, it hit our stop, and then it ran up 400 points higher than where we got in. Thank the Lord for stops. Thank goodness, thank the marketplace for having stops, and thank goodness us Omniacs always put them in first. If you can do the math on that, you could have cost a nice penny on a one-lot trade if you did not have stops in. 43 years doing this, we lost today, but we were sensible. We had our stop in, and now we're head down, nose to the grindstone, on to the next trade. So, put your stops in. Anyone can lose in this game, and you can lose a lot. What am I showing you? Green Omni for trading precious metals, and I think that's where the money is to be made. That's where the money is sitting, if you will, for trading on Thursday. The easier money is getting long precious metals, and that's what we're going to do. In fact, a little secret, we're already long. I already sent out a flash, and we've already gotten long the gold, and it's moving higher. So, this is for trading on Thursday, Jan 12th, 2024, the 12th on the first day of Christmas. So, that's what the gold looks like. Silver looks pretty good too. And then there's this. Look at this guy. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Traders, please like, subscribe, and share these videos around the internet. That would help us so much. But let's take a look at Bitcoin right here. We hit the 85,000 Omni target right here. It exploded through that and is now building what I like to call an Oscarism known as the F flag, which remains bullish. And our new targets, shorter term targets now, not as much as like the 85, but a shorter term targets are 106, 175, and then 109, 564. And I have a question for you, all of you Omniacs that call yourselves analysts out there. I love all of you. Your comments are so great. We're all getting better together. Do me a favor. Answer below. Do you think we're going to get to the 109, 564 target on Bitcoin? We did hit the 85 as Omni projected. Now we've got two more. Do you think we'll hit the 109, 564 target in December? Tell me if you think we'll get there before the year is up. Please answer below. Let me know your thoughts. If you want to make it simple, A would be an answer for yes. B would be an answer for no. If you want to write something else, please write your comments. I'll be more than happy to return those comments back. I'll reply to you. Tell me what you think. Is Bitcoin going to hit 109, 564 before this year comes to an end? Or will it happen next year? Traders, thank you so much for joining in, for tuning in. I hope these videos are helping you. We thank all of you for coming to livewithoscar.com every day and putting up with my insane antics and just dealing with me. I thank you so much for that. But I promise you I will be there every day in my trading room to help guide you Omniacs through the rough storms. Traders, that's about it. Remember, keep your emotions out of trading. How do we do that? Well, you should know by now. Say this with me, Omniacs. Here it is. You know what I'm going to say, right? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. That's the absolute truth. Stops are in, emotions are out. Please join me at livewithoscar.com in my trading room. Like, subscribe, and share. And most of all, answer the question. Will we get to the 109, 564 target before 2024 comes to an end? Please let me know. Answer below, and I'll tally those answers and report back to you. Thanks for tuning in.